I remember that someone was already gonna do it from last
All right,
week.
go ahead, Casey.
Not me, sir.
Not you. Oh, Jeremiah.
I think Kira said that she had wanted to do it.
I don't think she's here though. She normally come in the evening. And I said,
Sure, she is there.
Now.
oh,
But I don't know for the one with the 2 hours.
all right, go ahead. Guys, remember it's 1 hour. So we just have to make our decision right away and just get it. All right? We have to be efficient so we don't waste the time. Right? All right, so it says a government statement says they will give a 20% contribution towards people's electricity bill. One person electricity bill for 3 months is $228. How much will the person receive? And they ask us to calculate the percentage of that 228, which is 20%. Now, what does percent mean?
Out of 100.
Out of 100, sir.
Yeah, so you're gonna just put 20 out of the 100 and times it by whatever we find in the percentage of. So guys, percent means out of 100 at all times. And then we can do it by 228. Some persons did this yesterday, but some persons did not. So we could just look at it. Alright. We could divide by 100. 100 into itself 1. When dividing by 100, we just move in the decimal place to our left 2 times. So the decimal place is here. So we just say 1, 2. So that becomes 20 times 2.28. As I was showing the other group, we could say 2.28, we could split it and say 10 times 2. Because when we multiply by 10, we just move the decimal place 1 time. So that will be 22.8, and then we multiply 22.8 by 2. Because remember, we won't have a calculator, right? And of course, that will give us 45.60. Alright, this one says, this is the first everyone is doing, this one though. Calculate the simple interest on a loan for 2 years at 3% simple interest per annum. So, who want to take on this one, or should I just continue?
I do. I want to try it. I want to try it, sir.
Alright, go ahead, Lakoy.
Hold on, I need to work it out first.
Sir, may I try the next one after?
Alright. Alright, so guys, everybody just work it out. Let me just go up so everybody can see both 27 and 28.
Excuse me, sir, just a question. Is the rest of the paper percentage?
Not everything. Yeah. Remember, you know, they section it off. So you have, that's why I like these papers, because they literally section them off, and you have different scenarios. Like you have percentage, simple interest, decimal. It basically cover everything.
Everything, right? Sir?
Everything that you're supposed to do. Every single thing. So every year, I let my prep students do this. This is like a marker to see where you guys are. Because it contains fraction, decimal, percentage, addition, subtraction, everything you take in. Number theory, every single thing you take in. This is my favorite exam of all time. I think these papers are the best papers ever.
Mr. Should we do 28?
Yeah, man. The 27 okay. And 28. Rocco is going to walk the street. So you guys can WhatsApp me your response.
Okay, sir, I got my answer.
All right. Let us give them 1 more minute. Thanks, Stefan. Correct, Stefan. I'm gonna agree. Thanks, Kira. Correct as well. Timothy, correct as well. Good job. Taylor Barrett, correct as well. All right, go ahead now, Lakoy.
Okay, sir. So it number 27 says calculate the interest on $9,000 loan for 2 years at 3% simple interest per annum. So the first thing you need to do is times 9,000, which is the money that is going to be calculated, times the percentage, which is the simple interest, 3, times 2, which is the amount of years or how long the period is. So then afterwards you multiply everything. 9 times 3 is 27, times 2 is 54,000, and you didn't put the 2 decimal places because the 3% is out of 100, so you have the decimal place at the end, and you have to jump it 2 times because there's 2 zeros after 100.
Jump it to your right
So
or to your left?
answer is B.
So that means to the left. 1, 2. So it's 540. Another way you could look at it, guys, you could just put the 100 there. For those who love formula. So it's the same thing. Alright? But like I convert is to decimal, which is perfectly correct also. Alright. So that's simple interest. And this is the formula. As I say, I will go through this with you guys in a 1 hour class or a 2 hour. I'm gonna put this on the marathon as part of what we need to go through. Alright, so this is the formula. The amount of money borrowed multiplied by the rate. The rate is normally given in percentage. So this would be the rate. And then T would be the time in the number of years. Alright. So on to 28. I'm gonna read and then everybody do it, and then the person who volunteer will take us through it. Alright? A machine has a principal cost of 400,000. Simple depreciation is applied at 25% per year. What is the value of the machine after 2 years? Simple depreciation. Alright. Anybody know what depreciation means? Whoa.
Subtract.
Somebody say subtract. Yeah. Basically, guys, let me just explain what simple interest. Not simple interest, depreciation means. Depreciation means the value goes down. For example, let's say this is what 2024. Let's say you buy a 2024 Benz and the cost is $10 million. Next year, the value is no longer 10 million. Look here, even if you not drive it, it'll cost probably 9 million. Because the price depreciate, the price get less each year. So the older the car, the more it depreciates. So it's something like this. Same thing with the machine, is that the machine is getting less because it a use up. So that amount that they want you to calculate is just 25% of this basically. But remember, it's for 2 years. Alright? And you have two types of depreciation, and this one says simple. You have the reducing balance.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man.
When you're multiplying it by the amount of money, can it be like a lot of money, or does it have to stop at a specific place? Where it can be any amount of money.
Well, it depends on what they give you. So whatever they give you, that's what they're gonna use. So like how the machine
Yes.
costs 400,000, you can work it out at 400,000.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Just seemed like a big number.
Yeah, it is. It is. So you guys can manage, man.
Sir, mine is in WhatsApp, yeah?
All right.
Yes, sir, mine too.
All right. So I got Maris. All right. I'm gonna agree with Maris. Parkinson as well. Oh, Ray Johnson, the other one. Rakai as well. Timothy as well. Those persons are correct.
Sir, how about mine?
That's here. Yeah, I did say that it's correct already. You're the first one I called.
Sir, you didn't say mine. Sir, you didn't say Abby's.
I don't think I do. Where you saying it, Abby? Oh, I didn't open it. I didn't open it. Abby, I'm not gonna agree with this one though. Somebody said I don't understand the depreciation. Guys, just consider it. You're just finding 25% of that number, 400,000, and you're doing it for 2 years instead of one. Abby, I think you did it for 1 year. That's what I was saying. It's for 2 years. So it's not 1 year, but two. Hope that make it clearer now.
Yes, sir, I saw where I went wrong, sir.
Okay, okay. Alright. Let me check if anybody in the chat and then we can proceed, alright? Yeah, Maris. It's correct. Angel also correct. Patrick correct. Cassandra. Cassandra, I don't know what number you're answering, so I can't respond to it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead, Kira.
Sir, I just got like kicked out, or my internet just went
I
off.
know, I just let the inbox. We are still at 28.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, we're gonna move on. We're just waiting on a few more persons to respond, and then we can. We're supposed to explain this one, is it?
Me.
Okay. So Casey will walk us through this one.
What?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Amelia.
Sorry I'm late, sir. It's because I have to ask my mother for the passcode to join and the meeting ID.
Well, you had it all along, though.
Sir, my phone got taken away, sir.
Okay, alright. No, man, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, Nika, correct. That's Parkinson.
Present, man.
No,
I
Miller,
said
it was
man.
you alone, you know, Miller. Are you alone, not us? Correct, me, Mia.
Present, man.
Rejan, you put, not Rejan, Christian, you put the decimal instead of the comma. So that means the number there is not the actual value. So put the comma instead of the decimal point. Because
Sir,
it
send
will
me
give
my correction, sir.
correct, Rejan. All right. Yeah, Abby, correct. All right, ready now. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so I'm supposed to start now.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so the question says you're supposed to find the simple depreciation of is applied for two. Yeah. This will just to find 20%, 25% of 400,000 for 2 years. Yeah. So you're just going to multiply 400 by 25 by 2, then you divide it by 100.
It's a 400.
Yeah, 400,000 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 2, then divide it by 100. Now, when you multiply all of those, you will, how do you get that again? Sure, when you multiply all of that, you'll get like 20 million. So then you'll have to divide by 100 after you get 20 million. When you multiply all of those.
You said 20 million, nigga?
Mm-hmm. Then you divide by 100. When you divide by 100, you just have to cross out the 2 zeros that you have at the end. And then you'll just divide it by the 1 and you'll get 200,000, which is B.
I
Do we agree, guys?
yes, sir.
Me, sir.
Yeah, it's
Sir,
actually
I got
correct.
it.
Yeah. So that's the what is the value of the machine after 2 years? So you basically, because it's 50%, the car is gonna worth 200,000 because the value is gonna go down by 200,000. So guys, even though it's 200,000, it's not the 200,000 you're the answer, you know. It's at the value where it depreciate by. But luckily, it's 400,000 was the original value. So the new value you would have to divide, not divide, you would have to minus the depreciation from it, which is the 200,000. But because it's half, it's 200,000. So it is 200,000. All right. Can a boy volunteer for 29? What is 8% expressed as a decimal fraction? If not a boy, a girl.
Sir? Reeves.
All right. Reese volunteer. Anybody for 30?
Me, sir, Kira.
All right. So Kira Miller. So Kira Miller will do 30. Morning. Well, it's not a month. 29. Yeah. No, man.
Just
I think
calculate
that's
half.
Sundays.
I said mine in the chat. I said mine.
All right, guys, I'm back. Let me respond to everyone now. What is 8% expressed as a decimal fraction? Mia Lawrence, both of them correct for 29 and 30. Kira Miller, 29 is correct. For Morris, 30 is correct. Parkinson, check 30.
I just got bumped off. Which question are we doing?
Kayla, correct. That's Kayla Barrett. Christian, let me check out yours. 29 is correct, Christian. Christian. I think it's Christian your mother called you.
Miss, it is Krishan. No, sir, it
Know?
is Krishan.
Okay. Chelsea, check your number 29.
Sir, am I correct?
Hold on, I'm gonna go back. Anybody that listen to the man. Well, I'm gonna go back for your name. Yeah, that's what I said first. It's correct. For the 29.
Sir, did I got my correct?
Region, correct.
Oh, Krishan, did I get my correct?
Yeah, man, I just respond to you.
Oh,
Yeah. Region, both of them correct as well.
sir, is the
Kira,
next one
correct.
correct? Sir, do you check Nika's?
Alright, I'm coming, Nika. For 30, Mikai, you're right, number 30, and you're right. 29 answer. If we have number 30, it's actually 29 you did, but it's correct. So you can go ahead and do 30
I
now.
don't know which one I
Yes,
am.
correct.
Sir said, is mine correct for 30?
Sir, did you
Oh,
see mine?
Lakai,
Wait, don't come here.
30 is correct, Lakai. Parkinson, check
Wait, don't come
yours.
here.
Sir, this, oh God.
Rajon. Sir, did you see mine? I will answer.
I still want to check the chat, guys.
Will answer.
In the meantime, the person who is going to walk us through it, get ready, all right? Stefan, yours is correct, Stefan. Good job. Cassandra,
Excuse me.
Cassandra, check both of them. Hold on.
So I just sent him.
Somebody background noise, man. We just mute. All right.
Excuse me, sir. Did you see mine?
In the chat, right?
Yes, sir.
Gianna, 29 is correct. 30 is correct also. Janelle, check 29. Italia, yours is correct. I'm just going in the order, guys. Cassandra, check 30. And 29 too. Something off. Denique, 30 is correct. Italia, 29 correct. Khalil, I don't see it, you know. Let me go back up. I'm not seeing. I literally went through everything. I don't see Italia. I'm gonna go back down. Italia is the last person to text, and that was
mine.
9. That was 9:27. Khalil, I don't see it. Check if you send it out. I don't want to go through it now.
Sir, sent mine.
Alright, thanks. I'll respond. Reeves, you're up for 29.
So, sir, 8% means
Yes,
8
Krishan.
over 100.
I sent it again.
So, sir, every number has an invisible decimal point in front of it. So I just use the 2 zeros to assume how many paces I'm going to move. So the first one is going to be in front of the 8. And then the second one again.
You add a 0 here, so.
Yes, sir. And you add the 0, then you put the decimal point.
Alright.
And
Do
then
we
put an
agree,
next
guys?
0.
Alright. So do we agree?
Yes.
My answer would have been
Excuse me,
C.
sir. I think I got
Yes, sir.
something else.
Yes, sir.
Oh
Alright.
no, sir. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Khalil, I still don't see it.
Sir, or it could be point
Oh,
8.
hold on, Khalil. Hold on. I think I see it now. It just
Sir,
came.
is my number 30 correct?
Khalil, you have to check both of them, Khalil. Well, you'd have see the answer for 29. Check 30 as well.
Sure.
Hmm?
Is my 30 correct?
Yeah, man, I responded already. Miller, since as both of them, most persons have answered both of them. So Miller, your time. We're trying to be time efficient, guys, alright? You know, as we come closer to exam, we have to step up with game. So Miller,
Sir,
you're
I got my answer, I think.
what is 3/5 as a expressed as a decimal fraction? Thanks, Stefan. I got yours. Correct.
So, sir, I
Tommy, I
can
got
go.
yours as well. Correct. For 30.
Sir, I can go and explain.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'll text them back.
So, sir, first, you have to divide the denominator from the numerator.
Sir,
So,
send
five
my
and
answer in the
four,
chat.
yeah. So 5 into 3, you can't, so you put a 0. 5 from 30 is 6. So put a decimal point and then put 6.
I'm in class. What's it?
And 5 into
No,
6,
man,
that will
it's
give
okay.
you 30. So it will be 0.6.
Alright.
So it will also be
Yeah, alright. Thanks. Yeah. So guys, do we agree with this?
And Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Guys, I was a bit surprised. Some persons chose 3.5. 3.5 is a literally a whole number and a fraction, right?
Oh,
That's
sir, the
like
only
three and
reason
a
I
half.
choose that is because the top number is true, the next
Yeah,
one is
true.
Yeah,
That
but
would be like
yeah,
three
but
fifths.
I
That would
think we
be
have been through that too many times for us to be doing that though. What do you guys think?
Well,
And
so you gotta
even the
understand.
1.66 also. I think if you divide the
I
5
don't
by 2.
understand the
Alright, let me explain in a jiffy. All we're doing to convert from fraction to decimal, we simply divide the numerator by the denominator. Just like a half. That's how they get 0.5, right? They divide the 1 by
Sir, like
2.
a quarter.
So you say 2 into 1, you can't, so that's 0. Put back your decimal, please. Now you consider this as 10. 2 into 10, that's 5 times. And then 2 times 5, 10. So that's all we're doing. To convert
Sir,
from,
can I also say something? Sir, can I add something?
yeah, add it, please.
Sir, so like it's like 29, sir, like the person who asked the question, sir, because it says 8% and it's not and it doesn't have like a denominator. Um, you should put it over 100 because there's no denominator and you know that's a percentage out of 100. If it doesn't have a denominator, or if
Because
it's
percent mean out of 100. I think he's talking 30
or
though.
if it's like represented in a percentage.
I think he's talking 30. Khalil, you're talking 30, right? Or 29?
yes,
Or
sir.
both?
I'm number 30.
Oh, 30. Okay. Well, she still give an explanation for 29 still. So I'm so grateful for that.
Sir, time's gone by fast. It's 9:34.
Hmm?
Sir, time's gone by fast.
Oh, yeah, I know. Because somebody now watch the time, guys. Alright. Who want to take on this one? Give me a name.
Me. Yeah.
Don't say me, just give me the name.
Okay.
Taylor Barrett. Alright, so everybody try number 31. It says an order costs $400. A customer has a choice of discount vouchers. A quarter off, 50% off, 20% off, or one-third off. Which discount voucher gives the cheapest price for the order? So everybody
Sir,
try.
we will have to do every single one of them.
yeah.
Alright, so do it then.
Sir, you will have to do every single
Sir,
one
I
of them
found
to
my
see how many
answer.
people.
He knows. He just said do it. And give me the answer.
Instead of saying it, guys, just go ahead and do it.
Sir, I
Same thing.
found my answer.
Alright. Somebody said send me an answer. Those who scan through it and know the answer already, just send me. Alright. And then we can take it from there.
Sir, I sent mine in the chat to you.
Yeah, Casey, correct. Italia, check yours.
Said man in the second.
I don't agree with that one, Italia.
Sir, I said man
Sir,
in the
you
chat.
said Casey is correct?
Khalil, I don't agree with yours. Yeah, Casey, correct. Patrick, I don't agree with that answer either. And Italia, I don't agree with that. I thought someone said they should work out all of them. If you had worked out all of them, guys, then you would have gotten it correct. But I don't think persons work out all of them. Casey had said
Sir,
you need
I
to work
told
all
them.
of them. Some persons didn't do.
Excuse me, sir. Is mine correct?
Alright, give me a second, I'll respond to Chelsea. Christian, I don't agree with that answer. Oh, Lakoy, that's the one you had. You know, long you said me the answer that I didn't know because I said it from a long time. Yeah, man, it's correct. So, guys, are we struggling with to convert from fraction to percentage? Because that's what this requires, you know. Once you know percentage, no one should be getting it incorrect. Off Abby, that is off Abby.
Sir, can I recheck mine?
Please do.
Sir, I sent it again.
Alright. I will text you.
Sir, did you see mine? Sir. 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 Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
did you check mine?
That's Mikoy, right?
Sir, you checked mine?
Mikoy, I respond to you from 5 minutes ago.
Sir, did you check mine back? Sir, I don't understand.
Guys, I'm a bit surprised so many persons didn't get this one. Stefan, yours is correct. So Mikoy,
Sir,
I text you 5 minutes ago. Look at it, alright?
Sir, did you check mine?
Let me go back in there and see what's happening. Gabi, it's not 50%, guys. A lot of persons doing that, including Kenzu. It's not 50%. Denny, check yours. Khalil, yours is
Sir,
correct.
that's $50, sir.
Yeah, it's a $50. Persons interpret it as 50%. And that is why so
$50.
many persons are choosing that particular answer. Italia, check yours. Casey, correct.
Sir, the only way you could figure it out is if you would work out all that,
That is it.
because that would make it easier.
That is it. You could work out, just in case, you could work out all of it.
And sir,
Alright?
if you know what fractions are bigger than what you can know.
Yeah, I know. But surprisingly, it's as if we don't know fractions based on the response.
Nine.
The only hard one was probably the quarter and the third for me.
Alright, so Mikoya takes it again. Alright, so Kayla is gonna walk us through it. Based on the time we need to
Okay. Sure.
yeah man, go ahead.
Okay, so it says that an order costs $400. Our customer has a choice of discount, which is a quarter off, $50, 20%, and 1/3 off. Well, so this voucher is the cheapest price for the order. So since you have to work out all of them to choose your answer, you have to do quarter first. So if a quarter of you just say 1/4 multiplied by 400.
So what you did.
Hmm?
Tell us what you did now.
No, so
You're
a
talking in
quarter
riddles. Just tell us.
over a quarter multiplied by 400.
Mhm.
And you see what can go into 4 and 400, and that's 4 and 4 multiplied by 4 into 400, that's 100, and you multiply 100 by 1, and that gives you $100. So for the first voucher you'll have to pay $300.
Mhm.
So for the next one, it said $50 off. You don't need no working off for that. But
Yeah,
it
that's what
just
I was
goes to
thinking.
show that he's going to pay $350 for that one. And for 20% off, you just say 20 out of 100 multiplied by 400. Then after you write that down, you'd say 100 into 100, 1, and 100 into 400, 4. And 4 multiplied by 20 is 80. Well, no, you work out 1/3 and uh, um well, you know that the thing is that yeah, it's going to be oh, so no work out that.
Yeah, so work it out now then.
Okay. That will put that. Okay, so now you can start check.
So now, sir, it's going to be what I'm going to 3 and 400, and unfortunately, I have to use 3. And from this point to say 3 into 400, you'll get a recurring decimal, which should be 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so say 3
Yeah,
into
you need
4.
help?
No, sir. I'm need help. I'm fine.
So go on now, quickly to the
Okay.
next question.
3 into 4, 1. Then I put down 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then 4 subtract 3 is 1. And then I put down the 0 that I have over the other side. And then 3 into 10, 3. And 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. And 9 subtract 1. Well, 9 subtract 10, sorry, is 1. And put on the same 0 that I have left. And that's 3 into 10 is 3. And 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Then subtract 9 from 10. And then you get 1. Now you still have to put a 0 again, so for some reason.
Yeah, it's gonna continue forever.
So it's going to go on and on. So
Yeah, the
since
point
you could
3 is
just
gonna
say that
continue.
these answer.
So what's the
So
answer?
these since you can just use the first 3 numbers that I have at that you did
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, the
And you would
133.
get 1,
All
3,
right.
3
Interestingly,
instead.
guys, some persons chose 20%. Let me tell you why. Because they're saying this is the smallest amount. But this is not the answer, because guess what? It said which discount gives the cheapest price for the order, meaning it's from the consumer perspective. So some persons chose the 20% and say, sir, that is the lowest. Yes, that is true, but that's the lowest discount the customer will get. They want basically the highest discount. So you see the reading part and the interpretation part, guys, very important. All right.
Sir, for the 1/3, you would have to he'll just have to pay $267, and for the
Yeah.
20%, he'll have to
But
pay
guys, couldn't we, as
390.
somebody say, we couldn't just convert it to percent and say a quarter, half, or 25%. This are 20%, and you compare them. $50, we know say $50 hour. What percent of
Yes, sir,
400
that's
is
what I did.
$50? About 12.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me check it.
Yeah.
50.
Since sir, since 20 is 80, then it maybe be in the
1.8, right?
teens too.
About 1.8, yeah. So about, and then this would be 33%. So as somebody say, you could convert everything to percentage and compare them. Alright? We have to be thinking outside of the box, guys, because they are critical thinking kind of questions. One more map. And a map with a scale of 1 to 75,000. The distance between two places is 10 centimeters. What is the actual distance in kilometers? I have to work out this myself. Alright, work out that one, guys. So it's from 1 to 1 centimeter to 10.
Sir, anybody doing this one?
No, if you want, you can do it.
Sir, I have to work it out first.
Yeah, man.
Sir, I think I got it.
All right, you can WhatsApp me.
No, sir.
Oh,
Like
you
I
can put
said
it
in
in
the
the
chat
chat.
though.
Look, I got the same thing like what you did. So let's see.
Yes, sir. That's because
Sir, sent it in the chat.
Reeves, I got the same thing that you got as well. All right, thanks. I soon look at it.
sir, it's actually confusing if you don't know your conversions.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is. I agree with that. You have to know that, guys. Like how much centimeter in a meter, how much centimeter in a kilometer, and so on. So see, you made a valid point.
Sir, in my class, when I just started measurements, I was kind of confused with the converting. So.
Yeah. But the
And
more you
now
do
I'm
it,
better.
the easier it should become. All right, so I see the answers are coming in. Let me just respond to them now. Casey, I saw look in the chat. Just give me a second. Morris, I agree with yours. Reeves, I agree with yours. Kayla Barrett, I don't agree with yours. Lacroix, yours is good. Kira Miller, yours off. Let me check in the chat now. We literally have 5 minutes, guys. We want to see if we can do at least. That look like a ratio question. Cassandra, oh. Guys, please don't text in the chat, only the answer, please. Oh, Casey, I don't agree with your answer. Kenzu, not yours, but Sakina. I
It's
agree.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
I won't do it.
Amelia, I agree with yours. All right, so can we get our next volunteer?
With this question, sir?
Yeah, man, 32.
Okay, sir. Can I do it?
All right. But we're going to begin now, guys, because we literally have 4 minutes. I want to see if we can touch the ratio one. All right? So go
So,
ahead.
sir, should I start?
You right now, yeah.
Okay. So it said on a map with a scale of 1 to 75,000, the distance between two places is 10 centimeters. What is the actual distance in kilometers? First, you need to find out the actual distance. So what I did, I put 75,000 times 10, and you add a 0, which will give you 750,000. And once you get 750,000, you need to convert it to kilometer, with 750,000 converted to kilometer would equal to 7.5 kilometer.
How you get 7.5? What you divide by to give you that?
So what I did in order to get 7.5 is that I just divided it.
By what number though? Because it will have to be a big number. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically about 5 to 6 places. All right, let me give you a clue. What you have to think about, how many centimeters is in a kilometer, or how many centimeters make 1 kilometer?
1,000.
Hold on. It's from centimeter to kilometer, not meter. All right, make a look at it. You have 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. Could be right, you know? and then you have 1,000 meter, give you 1 kilometer. Basically, that means 1 kilometer contains 550. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, he's actually right, you know, guys.
Yes.
I was thinking, as a sidetrack, and I was thinking meter. It takes in 1 kilometer, you would have not 1,000 centimeters, but
Who's laughing now, huh? Who's laughing now?
Sir, do you get?
no, initially I was thinking D, but then I realized that it was not meters, it was actually from kilometers to centimeters.
Sir, the
So we
floor
get it
is larger
wrong.
than the Miss, sir, we get one wrong from morning. We get one wrong from morning.
So 100, so the conversion rate is 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. But it takes 1,000 meter to make 1 kilometer. So in order to find out how many centimeter in 1 kilometer, we'd have to multiply this by 100. So for the persons who are say correct, sorry guys, I actually made the error because I was thinking meter and not kilometer. So my bad. It's actually this. So the persons who got it, my apologies.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Because the reason why the measurement would be meter is because it said on a map with a scale of 1 to 75,000, the distance between two places is 10 centimeter.
Yeah,
So
I
the
know. So 1 centimeter represents this in kilometers. But I was reading it as meters. I didn't realize it was kilometer here. Yeah, man. You're in class. Alright, send me a WhatsApp. Send me a WhatsApp. But guys, you understand? If you should convert 1 kilometer, lower school, just give me a second. I don't want them leave without not understanding why we get that. You understand how to convert from kilometer to centimeter, guys? You understand what I'm saying? It takes 100 centimeter to make 1 meter. So in terms of, so 1 kilometer now would be this in centimeters. 5 zeros after the 1. Because it's not meter. This is the rate. So this we have to divide by 5 zeros for there. So we have to move 5 please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, he's correct. Alright. So guys, we're going to end on that note. We didn't get to do the ratio, but I don't want to take up too much of the lower school class time.
Oh, sir. What to do the ratio?
Alright, tell you
Yes,
what guys,
sir.
WhatsApp me the ratio. I'll respond. So you guys can
Sir,
write
I
down.
gotta write it off.
You can just write down the ratio, right? It's a manager shares a bonus payment between supervisor A and trainee B in the ratio 3 to 2. The bonus payment is $270. How much money does the trainee B receive? So guys, you can just
That's
screenshot it
honest.
and WhatsApp me. I will respond. Here, just WhatsApp me that. Oh, let me stop the recording.